Yo guys, I'm HP, this is Dr. Pink, and today we're going to talk about a smoking funk blues guitar riff, and that's how this one sounds. Really smoking. Wah-wah. Yeah, and so on and so on. So it's gonna be smoking hot, it's gonna be smoking cool, and let's get started. First thing, to get this really nasty funk blues guitar sound, we need some certain, the sound has to be quite distorted, and you need to play on the neck pickup. Why? Because if you play with bridge pickup, it's probably crispier. I'm gonna show the difference. Bridge pickup, neck pickup. Yo. You can already hear it has more punch, more cream, and that's what we want. Second thing, you need to know, we're using a D9 chord, but not the regular one down here. We're using the one in the upper position, and I'm going to show you why. When I want to have a really creamy 7 chord in a blues setting, or what has to be really nasty and smoky, I use this one here. Why? Basically, if you put it alone, this will be an F sharp diminished flat 7. You could use a D9 like this, the regular one. Sounds quite similar, but it isn't. Why? Because here we're using the A, the D, the G, and the B string, and with this chord and with this chord shape, you have the ability to give extra vibrato while we play it, and this makes it more smoking and more, I would say, has more grip. You can shape the tone while you play, while if you play this one here, you know, this is the same chord as this one, as you can hear, but here we're not on the, we are one string higher, so we don't have the same punch as here, and with this chord shape we have no way to really shape the tones so directly, and here we can. And that's really one of the secrets which I would love to share here, and this gives you really a hard-hitting chord structure and really hard-hitting chord sound. Now, how do we build up the whole thing? There's we have one figure which repeats itself all the time. You can check James Brown or any kind of funk guys. They have repetitive in the figures, and we're choosing this one here. Sounds easy, but the hard part is it doesn't start on 1, it starts on 1, 2, and so 1, 2. So when you play with the backing track, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And because it doesn't start on 1, it starts on 2, and it moves the accent and gives this extra punch, this extra smoke, I would say. But it's you have to get used to the feeling that it doesn't start on one end, it starts on 2 end, and then the figure is 1, 2, and then you move it half step down. You start with downstroke, 1, 2, and then we stop. Okay. And that has to be really precise and has to really have a shape. 3, 4. You have to stay really relaxed in your attacking hand, and if you want, you can shape it up with the wah-wah. So while you do this figure, the first figure, you push in the wah. And when you go half step down, you get out of the wah and come back. And there you don't make it so staccato, you make it more flowing. And there you have two variations on the same riff. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4. Yo, so that works pretty well. Now, here comes a cool part. Learn this one figure by heart, that you know they can repeat it all the time. Now you have a lot of space. When you have a lot of space, you have like three beats. The figure stops on count 1 on the second bar. So you have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have 3 beats time to do something. And there you have to be really fluent. I'm going to show you some ideas what you can do in between, and go immediately back to the funk blues guitar riff. So and therefore you need to know the figure really by heart, because you don't have time to think about timing. So one figure which really works is this one. Okay, let's do that one here. 2, 3, 4, 1. You can add any types of solo in between, and you just fill up the whole thing, and you always go back to the main riff. Another figure which also works now. This one here, we just play the D minor pentatonics here in the open position down. So. Let's do this additional lick in combination with the other one and see how that one sounds. Works pretty cool. Now we want to have an additional chord answer. Let's do this one. So we make this here. In the 12th fret we start with an upbeat. Upstroke, sorry. And then we make the hammer on and resolve on D. So the whole thing will be. Quite cool. Let's see. works pretty cool. We want to have an additional chord answer like same rhythm what we're using this chord here. Let's a double stop here. Let's put this one. Yo guys, these were a few ideas for a really smoking funk blues guitar riff. The main idea which I wanted to show you is you build something around one main riff and then you add and keep the whole thing going. And the key that it sounds really smoking and tough is that this whole thing comes like as a wall of sound, you know, because the backing track which I produced for you guys, just drum and bass, just gives you the foundation and you have to fill up the whole space. So this whole thing has to come. So even if you're not playing, your attacking arm should be always swinging with the beat to keep the whole thing, and then this gives you these little nuances in between, you know. Some of these guys who do this professionally, well, I'm also pro, but you know, they just play through and then all these things just happens out of the flow. And to get the flow, you need to get the idea that you have one figure repeats and then keep the whole thing flowing. It doesn't have to be completely precise as showed, but the whole thing has to come as one wall of sound, and then you fulfill the task. Yo, anyhow, I wrote down a few of the stuff I showed to you as tabs. It's available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy, plus this backing track. We can practice with that one. Please join there. Please become a premium member. Please support the work which me and Dr. Pink are doing for the guitar community by sharing and telling the world, to everybody, that me and Dr. Pink are existing, and come back for more cool stuff. See you guys.